Happy morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter Algebra. So dear children, take your third chapter note and start writing. Children, have you completed your homeworks? Okay. Take your homeworks. One question I gave homework. Then exercise 3.3, seventh sum. Check your answers. Determine whether x minus 1 is a factor of the following polynomials. First one, x cube plus 5x square minus 10x plus 4. Second one, x power 4 plus 5x square minus 5x plus 1. Okay. Determine whether x minus 1 is a factor or not a factor, you should find out. Okay. Then first one, write the question. Let, we have to take here p of x, q of x not given. So we have to take. Otherwise f of x also we can take. No problem. Okay. Then polynomial means then p of x. I took p of x. And then this polynomial you should write it by factor theorem. Okay. And why we are using factor theorem here? X minus 1 is the factor you want to find. Okay. So, by factor theorem, you know factor theorem, isn't it? Factor theorem means then x minus 1 is the factor of p of x, means then if p of 1 equal to 0. Okay. If p of 1 equal to 0 means this, which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay. Then how we will find x minus 1 equal to, like we have to take x minus 1 equal to 0, then x, from there x value, find out that x value we have to substitute then x place. Okay. Then here we got 0, isn't it? So which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor of what? First polynomial. Okay. So, and then second question. Here second question is, I took here q of x. Okay, let q of x is equal to given polynomial, write it by factor theorem, the same factor, x minus 1. Okay, x minus 1 is the factor of q of x. Okay, here q of x we took. And if q of 1 is equal to 0 means then this is the factor. Which is the factor? X minus 1 is the factor, isn't it? Shall we check? Q of 1. Substitute in time, here you got the answer 2. Okay. Then 2 is not equal to 0, isn't it? This is not equal to 0. Therefore, can write what? Therefore, which is not a factor? X minus 1 is not a factor of what? Not a factor of, then second q of x. Q of x what? This one. Did you get the answer? And very good. Then example 3.14, then same method only. Okay. Then is 3x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Okay. Is 3x minus 2 is the factor or not a factor, we have to find. Okay. Shall we start? Then solution. Then given polynomial here, what is which polynomial not given? P of x or f of x not given. Shall we take it here? Let p of x equal to p of x is equal to 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Okay. By factor theorem. Here we have to use the factor theorem. Okay. By factor theorem. Factor theorem. How we can write? Factor theorem. Then which is the factor we want to find? 3x minus 2 is a factor. Is a factor means if which is 0, then shall we find here? Then 3x, let 3x minus 2 equal to 0. From here x value find out. Okay, 3x equal to 2. Okay, therefore x equal to 2 divided by 3. Okay, this x equal to 2 by 3, you have to substitute here. Then p of 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then x place we have to substitute this x value. That time if we get 0 means, then which is the factor? 3x minus 2 is the factor. Okay, very very important sum. Okay, be careful and study. Don't confuse it. Okay, then shall we substitute? Then p of 2 by 3 is equal to, here x place, shall we substitute here? 3 into 2 by 3 the whole cube plus then x place x square means 2 by 3 the whole square minus 20 into 2 by 3 then plus 12. Okay, here fractionally given here 3 into 2 power 3 is or 2 into 2 into 2. That means what? 8, isn't it? 8 divided by 27. 3 cube is 27 plus here 2 square means 4, isn't it? 4 divided by then 3 square is 9. Okay, then minus 20. This one 20 into 2 by 3 then plus 12. Okay, then equal to, shall we cancel this one numerator? Here 1 3 is 3. How many 3s are in 27? 9 times, isn't it? So remaining 1 into 8 is 8 divided by 9 then plus here 4 by 9. Okay, then can you cancel this one? You cannot cancel, isn't it? Shall we multiply? 20 into 2 is minus here 40 divided by 3 plus 12. Okay, equal to, and then what's the LCM? Here LCM, can you say the LCM? Then 9 is the LCM, isn't it? Here 9 is there, here 9, 3. Okay, can you find the LCM here? Do you know? 9, 9, then 3. Okay, how many 3s are here? 3, 3, 3, 1 time, isn't it? 1 more time also. Then 1, 3 is there, 1, 1, 1. Okay, 3, 3s are 9. Like this only, then LCM we will find, isn't it? Here 9 is the LCM. Then denominator you see, here 9 is there, isn't it? How many 9s are in 9? 1, 9, isn't it? That 1 we have to multiply here. 1 into 8 is 8. Okay, how many 9s are in 9? 1 time. That 1 we have to multiply here. 1 into 4 is what? 4. Okay, then here denominator 3 is there, isn't it? How many 3s are in 9? 3 times, isn't it? That 3 we have to multiply here. 3 into 40 is what? 120. 120. Then here divided by 1 is there, isn't it? Divided by 1. Then how many 1s are in 9? 9 times, isn't it? That 9 we have to multiply here. And then 12 into 9 is 12 into 9. 9 2s are 18. Then 1 balance. Then 1 9 is 9. Then 108. Okay. Then 108. Then equal to, shall we add this on? First we have to add. Add means then here 116, 120. Okay, sum we have to do, then afterwards we subtract. Minus 120 divided by 9. Okay, then 120 divided by 120 is 0. So it is 0 divided by 9. 0 divided by any number is what? 0. Do you get 0? Then P of 2 by 3, substituting time we got the answer 0. Therefore, which is the factor? Very good. Therefore, 3x minus 2 is a factor of which one? That polynomial, write it. 3x cube plus x square minus 20x plus 12. Got it? Next we are going to say example 3.15. Find the value of m if x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial 2x cube minus 6x square plus mx plus 4. Okay. Then here find the value of m. Okay, find the value of m if x minus 2 is the factor given. okay, which is given x minus 2 is the factor. X minus 2 is the factor means then p of 2 is equal to 0. That means here p of 2 equal to 0 means we can say what? X minus 2 is the factor, isn't it? Solution. Let we have to take p of x is equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus mx plus 4. Okay, by factor theorem, which is the factor given x minus 2 is a factor of which one? P of x, isn't it? Then that means if p of x is the x minus 2 is the factor means then if p of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, if p of 2 is equal to 0. Then here what is given? P of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, p of 2 is equal to 0 means then here x place this polynomial we have to substitute this 2. Okay, shall we substitute? Here 2 into, then 2 substitute 2 the whole cube minus 6, then 2 the whole square plus m into m we don't know. Okay, then that m value only we have to find. Then m into what? 2. M into 2 plus 4 equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay, then 2 into 2 power 3 is 8, isn't it? 8 minus 6 into 2 square is 4, isn't it? Then plus m into 2 is what? Then 2m we can write 2m plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, 2 8s are 16, isn't it? 16. Then minus 6 4s are what? 24. 24. Then plus 2m plus 4 equal to what? 0. Okay. Then shall we cancel this 2 here? 16 plus 4 is what? Plus term we have to add. 16 plus 4 is 20, isn't it? 20 minus 24 plus 2m equal to 0. Here big number minus small number, big number sign. Okay, greater number sign. 24 minus 20 is 4, isn't it? Greater number sign is minus 4. Then plus 2m. Okay, equal to 0. We need m value, isn't it? So 2m we have to keep left hand side. Then this minus 4 we have to bring the right hand side. Then sign it will change. Here minus, then plus we will get. Okay. Therefore m equal to 4. This one into, isn't it? So this 2 we have to bring denominator. Okay. 1 2 is 2. Here 2 2s are 4, isn't it? Therefore m equal to what's the value? M equal to 2. Did you get the answer? Therefore the answer is m equal to 2. Got it? Have you understood? Now let's see exercise 3.3 10th sum. If both x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are the factors of ax square plus 5x plus b, then show that a equal to 0. Okay, we have to show that a equal to 0. Okay, given polynomial we have to take what? Ax square, p of x is equal to ax square plus 5x plus b. Then if both these two factors are given, okay, these two are factors of this polynomial is given. Okay, and then so we have to use by factor theorem. Okay, by factor theorem, first factor we should take it. X minus 2 is the factor of p of x, means which is the factor then x minus 2 is the factor of p of x if p of 2 is equal to what? 0, isn't it? How you will find then x minus 2 equal to 0? From there x equal to 2, isn't it? That x equal to 2, substitute here x place, then we will get what? 0, isn't it? Then only we can write what? This is the factor. Here in the question itself we given this is the factor. So we can write what? P of 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Then here P of 2 equal to 0. Okay. Shall we substitute here? And then P of x place we have to substitute a into 2 square. Then 5 into 2 plus b equal to what? 0. Isn't it? 2 square is what? A into 4. Then plus 5. 5 2s are 10 plus b equal to what? 0. Isn't it? Then a into 4 is, we can write what? 4a. Okay. Then plus 10 plus b. Can you add any like terms here? No, isn't it? We cannot add. And equal to 0. This one we have to take what? 1. Shall we take 1? Then we cannot reduce this one. Okay. Then one more factor also given, isn't it? What factor is given? Then by factor theorem we can write what? X minus 1 by 2 is a factor, means is a factor of P of x, means then if P of x minus, here what is given? X minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to what? 1 by 2, isn't it? X equal to 1 by 2. Then P of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then P of 1 by 2 equal to 0 means this is the factor, and the question itself this is the factor is given. Okay. Then what's the condition here? P of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Why? Then this is the factor in the question given. Okay. Question itself given, so we are writing here P of 1 by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then shall we substitute? Then P of here P of x plus 1 by 2 substitute. Okay. Then a into 1 by 2 the whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus b equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay. Then a into 1 square is 1, isn't it? Then 2 square is 4. Then plus 5 into 1 is 5 divided by 2 plus b equal to 0. Okay. Then 1 by 4. So we can write what? This one? A divided by 4. Shall we write a into 1 is what? A, isn't it? A divided by 4 plus 5 by 2 plus b equal to what? 0. What's the LCM? 4 is the LCM, isn't it? 4. Then how many 4s are in 4? 1 time, isn't it? That 1 we have to multiply here. 1 into a is a. Then how many 2s are in 4? 2 4s, isn't it? That 2 you multiply here. 5 into 2 is 10, isn't it? Plus 10. Then here divided by 1 is there, isn't it? How many 1s are in 4? 4, isn't it? 4 1 is there. Then 4 into b is 4b. 4b equal to what? 0. Then cross multiply. Then a plus 10 plus 4b equal to what? This 4 we have to bring here. And then 0 into 4 is what? 0. Okay. Can you add this one? Here a is there, here b, here one constant, isn't it? We cannot add. So we have to take what? This one, equation number 2 we can take. These two compare it. Okay, equation number 1 and equation number 2 both also compare it. Okay, compare means here right hand side what? 0. Both also right hand side is 0, isn't it? So we can write what? Equation number 1 equal to left hand side what? Equal we can write, isn't it? Here 0 is there, here also 0, isn't it? So we can write what? These two sides also equal. From 1 and 2 we will get what? From 1 and 2 we can write 4a plus 10 plus b is equal to what? A plus 10 plus 4b. Why? Then both also equal to 0. So these two side what? Equal. Okay, from 1 and 2, these two are equal, we can write. Okay, then here, shall we bring this on a terms, everything we have to bring on left hand side. Okay, 4a minus a is equal to, remaining we have to bring this side. Then 10 plus 4b. Okay, this 10 shall we bring here, minus 10 we will get. Okay, and then this plus b becomes minus b. Okay, 10 minus 10 is what? 0. Understood? Then 4a minus 4a minus a is what? 3a, isn't it? 4b minus b is 3b. Okay, then 3a is equal to what? 3b we can write. Understood? So here a is equal to what? A is equal to, otherwise here this 3 we can cancel. Okay, do you know this one? Otherwise a is equal to 3b divided by this 3 we have to bring down. Okay, 1 3 is 3, here 1 3 is 3. Remaining what? B, isn't it? Then 1 into b is what? B. Therefore a is equal to b. Did you get the answer? Our question is, show that a equal to b. Show that a equal to b, isn't it? If these two are two factors, okay, then these two factors given, okay, afterwards then from 1 and 2, then if you compare means, then we will get this answer. What's the answer? A is equal to b. Have you understood? Next we are going to say 11th sum. If x minus 1 divides the polynomial kx cube minus 2x square plus 25x minus 26 without remainder, then find the value of k. Okay, without remainder. Without remainder means what? That is equal to 0. Have understood? Then without remainder, then find the value of k. Okay, then x minus 1 divides the polynomial of this polynomial. Okay, then it is divides means then which is 0, and then without remainder. Without remainder means that remainder will be what? 0, isn't it? That means then by factor theorem we can use here. Okay, solution. Let P of x is equal to kx cube minus 2x square plus 25x minus 26. Okay. Solution. Let given polynomial we have to take kx cube minus 2x square plus 25x minus 26. Okay. Here what's the question? If x minus 1 divides the polynomial means then divides the polynomial means then p of what? 1 equal to 0 we will get, isn't it? It is divide means remainder what? 0. Okay, without any remainder, that means p of 1 equal to 0, isn't it? Then so we have to use, we can use here by factor theorem. Okay, factor theorem we can use. X minus 1 is the factor of p of x, means if p of 1 equal to 0. Okay, p of 1 equal to 0, and therefore 1 place shall be substitute, and then k into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 the whole square plus 25 into 1 minus 26 equal to what? 0. Okay, k into 1 cube means what? 1, isn't it? 1 into k is k. Then minus 2 square is, sorry, 1 square is 1, isn't it? 1 into 2 is minus 2. Then 25 into 1 is what? 25. Then minus 26. Then equal to what? 0. Then k. Here negative value, then two numbers are given, isn't it? Both also added, common sign minus. That means minus 28 plus 25 equal to what? 0. Here one is positive sign, one is negative sign, isn't it? One number is negative. So both also greater number minus smaller number, then minus, subtract it, then greater number sign. Okay, that means what? K, then greater number sign minus. 28 minus 25 is 3, isn't it? Then equal to 0. Therefore K is equal to what? 3. That's the answer. Therefore K is equal to what? 3. You got the answer. Okay, very simple. Next, one more question, 12th one. And then check if x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of the rectangle whose area is x square minus 2x minus 8 by using factor theorem. Okay, check x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of a rectangle, or the sides of the rectangle. Then we have to check using which theorem? Factor theorem. Using factor theorem. Okay. Then x plus 2 and x minus 4, these two factors, if you multiply, then we will get what? This polynomial. Okay, then these two factors multiply, then we will get what? This area. Then sides of a rectangle, what's the formula? What? L into B, isn't it? That means this is L B. If you take means here these two multiply, then we will get what? This area of a rectangle we will get, isn't it? By factor theorem we have to find. Okay, then first we have to x plus 2 substitute, then is a factor, check it. Okay, this one also check it. Then afterwards then we can write what? These two are sides of a rectangle we can write. Okay, shall we start? Let solution, let p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, by factor theorem. Factor theorem is say by factor theorem. First one what? X plus 2, isn't it? X plus 2 is a factor. Is a factor of p of x. P of x means if which is 0, p of 2 minus 2. X plus 2 means here minus 2 it will come. Okay, p of minus 2 equal to 0, have to say. Okay, then shall we substitute here? Then p of x place we have to substitute minus 2. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 the whole square minus 2 into or minus 2. Here this is not a factor, not given. Okay, then we want to find. Then minus 8, then equal to minus 4, minus 2 the whole square is, here power is what? Even. Okay, so positive value we will get. Okay, minus 2 into minus 2 is what? 4. Then here minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. Then 2 2s are 4 minus 8. Okay, then positive term added. 4 plus 4 is 8 minus 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, therefore we can write what? Which is the factor? Then x plus 2 is the factor we can write. Okay, therefore x plus 2 is a factor. Factor of which one? P of x. Okay, then like that next one we have to take x minus 4. X minus 4 we can take. X minus 4 is a factor of p of x means if p of 4 is equal to what? 0. Okay, then p of 4 is equal to x place we have to substitute what? 4. Then 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 8. Okay, then 4 square is what? 16. 16 minus 2 4s are 8 minus 8. Okay, then equal to 16, then negative number, add it, then common sign minus, isn't it? Then here 16, 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, then this to subtract 0. Okay, therefore we can write what? Therefore, which is the factor? X minus 4 is a factor of which one? P of x. Okay, hence we can write what? So we can write what? These two factors are the sides of a rectangle. Okay, therefore x plus 2 and x minus 4 are the sides of a rectangle. I mean, say here how to use a factor theorem. Okay, so only we are using the factor theorem. First we have to find these two are factors, then afterwards so we can write what? These two factors are the sides of a rectangle. Have you understood that? Using factor theorem, 2 questions I am giving homework for you. Then homework, then exercise 3.3, 8th sum and 9th sum. Okay, this same model, these 2 questions you must complete. Okay, after completing these 2 questions, okay, then you should write the algebraic identities. Okay, some identities, then this one you should complete. Okay, algebraic identities. Some identities already you learned in the 8th standard. A plus b the whole square, you know. A minus b the whole square also. Then a plus b into a minus b, that identity you know. This one also you know, maybe, isn't it? Then here this year onwards, here 3 variables. Here 3, a plus b plus c. Okay, a plus b plus c, 3 terms given. The whole square is equal to, what's the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, like that. Here x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. Last year you learned, then x plus a into x plus b, isn't it? And here one more term also, then x plus c also. Okay, and then what's the formula? Okay, like that. Here x plus y, y the whole cube formula, and then 2 formulas are there. Okay, 2 formulas also write it. Here x minus y the whole cube also 2 formulas are there. And then 9th formula is here, suppose x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. That means, so then what's the formula? Here x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus z x. Okay, then if x plus y plus here z, not c, this one z. Okay, x plus y plus z equal to 0 means then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, then x cube plus y cube is this formula, x cube minus y cube also, x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. Okay, this algebraic identities must write in your note. Okay, after completing that exercise 3.3, then continue this algebraic identities. Okay, can you complete? Okay, these identities must write in your note. Okay, done. And if you have any doubt, you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.